Hey y'all, Nathan Rice with the Airbnb course, and today I am filming in this market here in Mexico City. Hope you can hear me over this, but if you can see, everybody's kind of selling the same things, and that's what I wanted to talk with you about today, is that you've got to differentiate your listings from everybody else. You can't be saying the same things, you can't be posting the same photos. You've got to do something to stand out. Otherwise you'll be like these guys here. They're forced to compete on price, and you know, I can't tell you, half the stands that are in this market here are selling the same fruits, selling the same products, the same clothes, etc. And it's not a good position for these vendors to be in. So you gotta differentiate yourself, figure out what makes your place different, and if you can't figure it out, make something in your listing that's different and sets you apart. Nathan Rice with the Airbnb course, and if you like this video, if it's helpful at all, you want to see more, click on the subscribe button there to subscribe to the channel, and I hope to see you soon. See ya.